we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DEGGE tiller. Consists of the following features. Cordless, lightweight and easy gardening, no tools, fast assembly. This cordless tiller for gardening is designed for effortless use in gardens, lawns, raised beds, and tight spaces. No cords, no fuel, no restrictions. The structure assembles in minutes, making it ideal for beginners, seniors, and users with limited strength. Its lightweight build ensures easy lifting and maneuvering during soil cultivation, weeding, and compost mixing. Dual 21 volts, 3.0 amp-hour batteries, charger included, up to 40 minutes continuous use. The battery-powered tiller includes two 3.0 amp-hour, 21-volt batteries and a charger. Each battery delivers up to 25 minutes of tilling, and you can alternate batteries for a continuous 50-minute work session. Batteries are interchangeable and charge in 3 hours. For best performance, fully charge before first use. This cordless garden cultivator ensures stable, long-lasting power for daily gardening tasks. 48 hardened steel tines for efficient tilling, weeding and compost mixing. Equipped with 48 durable steel tines, this electric garden cultivator reaches 6.7 inches deep and 9 inches wide per pass, ideal for breaking tough soil, mixing compost, loosening clay, and removing weeds at the root. With high-speed rotation, the tines dig faster and more precisely, improving soil aeration and promoting healthier plant growth. Smart gardening tips for better results: faster tilling, less battery drain. For harder soil, lightly water the area a day before tilling. Let the cordless tiller dig in before moving forward and work in shorter passes for optimal efficiency. Avoid forcing the tool, let the tines do the work. Clear debris or weeds from the blades regularly to reduce clogging and battery drain. For larger yards, rotate batteries and work in sections to maintain continuous productivity. Safe dual button start, reliable build. This hand tiller features a dual button activation safety switch, requiring 2 actions to start the motor, preventing accidental activation. Its strong power, easy assembly, quiet operation, and clean performance compared to gas tillers. With zero exhaust, no fumes, and reduced vibration, this garden tiller delivers a safe, eco-friendly, and user-friendly gardening experience for all ages. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.